Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're talking about a word that looks tricky but sounds beautiful. Quire. So, how do you say it? The correct pronunciation is quire, rhyming with flyer. Let's break it down, step by step. The first part is quay, like Y, with a K sound in front. And the second part is like the ending of teacher or writer. Now say it with me. KWY-er. One more time. KWY-er. Great job. Where does the word choir come from? Here's something cool. The word choir has a long history. It comes from the old French word quire, which originally meant group of singers. And before that, it traces back to the Latin word chorus, meaning a group performing together, just like in a musical or church setting. A lot of people mistakenly say Choy-er or Choy-er, but now you know the right way, quire. Fun fact, did you know choirs have been around for thousands of years? Even in ancient Greece, groups of singers would perform together in massive open-air theatres. Pretty cool, right? Now the spelling tip, it's spelled C-H-O-I-R. But don't let the ch fool you, it's pronounced quire. Now you can spell and say it like a pro. Now that you know how to say quire, you can use it with confidence. Thanks for joining me today on Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with your friends. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.